What's your favorite part of the home?
I think this has to be my favorite part.
It's my favorite part too.
Before we get to the rosé, or even the roses, our eventual golf cart tour
How many acres?
Almost 3.5 acres here.
of this palm tree and peacock sprinkled
Look at this guy.
Palos Verdes Estate's paradise begins inside this almost 9,000 square foot, 4-bedroom, 6-bathroom Spanish Colonial, courtesy of Hilton Hyland broker David Konheim.
Beautiful entrance, grand, high ceilings.
Built in 1936 and family owned for more than 40 years,
I'd like to have dinner in here.
It's a romantic house.
2701 Via Elevado encompasses an antiqued elegance
You have a music room here.
Oh, with a grand piano.
and grandiose views.
Wake up, roll over into the ocean.
Look at that, literally.
Downstairs,
Sort of like a man cave.
a bar and billiards.
Nice.
Clearly, I'd do better at this pool, which brings us to the great outdoors.
First stop, greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
And it's a green thumb's dream.
The flowers are grown throughout the property and then they pot them and put them in here.
The potting room is next door near the citrus grove.
You have your own market.
You also have your own croquet field.
I did it. I can't believe I did. I actually can't believe I did that.
Just as stunning, the rose garden with royal views.
I call this property the king of the hill because there's really nothing else like it on this hill.
You own the hill.
You are the hill.
Recapping this week's hot property at 2701 Via Elevado in Palos Verdes Estates. Almost 9,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, your own peacocks. Asking price for this oceanside oasis? Just under $19 million.
I'm gonna loosen you up and
Good.
then get you to lower the price.
Yeah, that's what most people do.